Good morning, sun. Welcome. The sun is shining, so are we. My name's Mateus. 481 Agents is what we founded. We build agents for you, consult, and we're basically your agency for everything AI. Besides that, we also give you good content. We tell you what you need to know. Today, I answer the question, what is an agent? I'm gonna have 8 topics for you. Stay tuned, stay flexible, and give me your time. Definition of an agent. Quite simple. It is a software program that reads its environment and based on a goal, it generates something. That something is either audio, video, or text. No more, no less. Okay, code. What is an agent not? Okay, so we understood what it is. Autonomous software entity that is able to perceive an environment and based on certain goals, act. What is it not? It is not a human. It is not a think for you engine. It's not creative and really also not critical thinking in that sense. It is not intellectual. No judgments made. The thing that we do have is guardrails. I come to the prompting in a moment. It's not a human. We're not going to replace the humans. It's not creative. We have to be creative and do our human thing. Thank you very much. And it is most definitely not a chatbot. Today's topic, the demystification of AI agents. I forgot to say that at the beginning, and that's completely fine. How do agents work? We did the definition, we did what it's not. Now we're telling you how it does what it does and how you see what it does. Most simply, a chat feature. You get to talk to the thing. Number 2, an application is created. This app gives you statistics, gives you analytics, gives you answers to your questions or transcriptions. Number 3, a third-party trigger. So when something happens in a certain place, the thing is meant to do that and it does it and there's not really anything to see. It's just based on a certain event in life that the agent will then choose to do something based on its guardrails. Number 4, why do you want agents in your life? We want agents in our lives who make better decisions, better actions, and live our life and spend our time the right way. Because we're able to have a 24/7 assistant, or you name it, able to take smart decisions with data, be able to trace what you do and track how you do it. You're going to be able to automate something that is really repetitive, a task that you don't want to do. Forgive me, story writers or note takers, meeting minute writers. You're done. With love. There will be way less human error. Don't look at my thing. I'm joking, obviously look at it. The current state of agents. What you see here is a key and a door. It's, if you as a human would like to go get some work done, you need to go to work. First of all, you need to open and close your door, and you need to open and close the door of work. You don't have the key to that place or the second place, forget about it. Go back home if you even have your house keys. What an agent needs to be open its door to agentic capabilities in the realm of what a computer can do, it needs an application programming interface key. They're run by APIs, or at least this is how you allow them to do things. The current state is that agents programmed into smaller tasks, so really focus level, minute work is way better than the really big, like know-it-all kind of agentic masterminds of AGI, artificial general intelligence. What's it mostly used for then? We have customer support, we have research, scheduling, content creation, and you basically use it to organize yourself, use it to transform something, basically taking it from one style of output being text, video, audio into one of the 3, and optimization. So this is where you go into data analytics, into tracking, into using your data to make your data scale in a positive manner. The way you can view an agent is you have your hourglass and your input, and there's always a bottleneck at any business, and obviously there can be a physical bottleneck, there can be a human bottleneck, but there's also definitely digital bottlenecks. This is where agents right now flourish. We have our agent that intercepts at your digital weak point and takes over the workflow and generates your output. And this is the trigger moment, obviously. I made a representation that you can obviously not just have one sort of output your input can be multifaceted and your output can be multifaceted. So what this agent is also able to do is, as I said before, is organize and optimize. Current limitations. Yes, we're not perfect. And shall we never be? Or maybe we shall. I don't know. I'm not a physicist. Currently, AI has a very shallow memory. It's not actually intelligent, and you've probably seen this already before, heard some news about it. It hallucinates a lot. It still will try to please, and that is due to companies selling these systems, baking it into them basically. Obviously, the hallucination can be drastically reduced when you localize the model and when your guardrails go up, basically the instructions and its training. So yeah, there's a couple integration hurdles when it comes to the ease of application in the real sense of it's not yet. There's a lot of prompting, a lot of guardrail creation, a lot of security, and a lot of safety checks that we have to consider every single time. 481 agents are based in the Netherlands, where we have the AI Act that's been written this year in August. It's just things we need to understand that it's not God. Now, what's the future? So hopefully we're going to get to a point where the technology will actually become 100% reliable, in the sense that you won't have to check up on it. It will be a collaborative digital partner. Currently, it's more like you are onboarding a employee that will work for you forever and will still need to learn what it's going to do. It does that way quicker than a human and also forever. So even yet, no brainer. It will be able to actively learn, so it won't only require the prompting and the guardrail creation, it will be able to have actual intelligent input. Currently also has some ethical considerations that are not really aligned with the cosmopolitan world that we present in our videos. So obviously we can align that further. And yeah, the seamless integration, you need to think of a phone. Back in the day, it was also not easy to find the iPhone cable to charge your phone everywhere. Nah, forget about it. Not even at the Mecca's, which is McDonald's, by the way. Yeah, so that will be nice to have like a charging port for your agent. It's not going to work like that. Forget what I just said. What must happen? I'll let you tell me for the future to look the way we want it to look. First of all, we need to use agents more. Secondly, we need to improve their memory. We need to improve their reasoning. We need to tell them, be more like we want you to be. Make sure you don't replace us. And this is something that the companies and the businesses working in AI should obviously keep at the forefront, that we do want to keep a human in the loop. Although actually maybe we don't. Maybe we all just want to go on holiday forever. Doesn't work like that, kids. Stay in school. System interoperability. That means that the agent is going to be able to go and do things from here to there to there to this to that, without heavy coding and without heavy API integration. Or it's going to be able to pull the API key itself and all those things. Look, we covered a lot today. A reminder that you can go to 481agents.ai right now. You can read our weekly blog. We post weekly videos, and we post on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday general information, anything regarding agents. Obviously, we also build custom agents and platforms for businesses. So if you do want, get in contact with us. And thank you very much. Until the next one, 481agents.ai, infinitely more for you. 481agents.ai, infinitely more for you.